So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix stick drift on your PS5. So step number one will be to put your analog right to the top, and then you want to rotate this 3 times anti-clockwise. You want to do this same thing with the right hand side, and then you want to do it again, but do it clockwise. Do it again with the right hand side. Now, if you've done this, the next step will be to hold down on the analog, and then you want to do the same thing again. So you want to click the analog down, and then rotate it anti-clockwise 3 times. Do the same thing with the right hand one, and the whole purpose of this is to get rid of any dirt or debris which is lodged inside your analog. You then want to press it down and then do it clockwise. Do the same thing with the right hand side one. And then once you've done this, you just want to go ahead and press the analog sticks down 10 times. 6, 8, 9, 10. Once you do this, hopefully that should work, and hopefully that should help the stick drift on your PS5. If you want to get rid of the stick drift permanently, you will need to take the controller apart.